until we did the Snap I/O, where we have multiple inputs or outputs per module, all of our modules were syncing or sourcing, and it only depended on the way we hooked them up. But in a nutshell, sourcing refers to connecting or interrupting the voltage source between the plus voltage source and the device that you're driving. Syncing, on the other hand, refers to breaking the circuit or opening and closing the circuit between the device and the power ground. Yeah, that really applies more to Snap I/O and DC particularly. AC is not polarity sensitive, so AC modules can be used either way essentially. But for DC outputs, we do have ODC5 source, SRC, or ODC5 sync, SNK. And the reason we have those is because those modules use a common connection for the voltage source or for the ground, and then we run it through a fuse, and then we distribute it out to the 4 channels of the module. So in doing that, since we have a limited number of connections, we must decide, are we going to interrupt the voltage source going to the devices, or are we going to interrupt the ground coming from the device to ground? Hence, ODC5 source between the power supply and the device, ODC5 sync between the device and ground.